Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. If you're looking to use SUNO AI and wondering if it's free, this video is for you. So, as you can see, I'm at sudo.com, and when you're ready, the link is in the description. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign up for SUNO AI and see if it's still free. And if it is free, is it still giving you free credits, and how many credits? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click create right here, and it's going to instantly give you this pop-up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here to sign up with my Microsoft account, and here it's going to ask you for your email, and I'll go ahead and click on this one, and I'm going to go ahead and click next, and it's going to ask me to enter the password, and I'm going to click sign in, and then it's going to give you this scary message. So what I would suggest for you is just create an email account you don't care about and use that. So go ahead, which is what this one is, go ahead and hit accept, otherwise you're not going to be able to get in. And then it should just bring you right into SUNO AI. And as you can see, it gives you 50 credits free. Now, how many songs, different songs, can you create with that? And as you can see, we are now down to 40 credits. So it definitely uses 10 credits per generation or every time you create. Now, if you need to know more about how to use AI or SUNO, I did create another video that goes a little bit more in depth in it. I'll have the link in the description below, but I hope this helps. And like I said, please consider at least giving it the thumbs up. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day.